Hey guys, what is up? Scott from Civic Edge Lifestyle here, and welcome to the My Lead Gen Secret Case Study, Day 180. So far, we are at $1,703 in earnings. I'm going to show you what happened on the weekend before the after the last video. Um, First of all, if you don't know what My Lead Gen Secret is, it's an all-in-one platform where you get traffic and an autoresponder. You get 100 to 200 email leads every day. You get to email those leads every 22 hours. I know it says 24 there, but as I say in every video, it's every 22 hours. And you get 98% of them are from the US. The rest are from Canada, UK, Australia, and places like that. And all you got to do is log in daily and make sure to email them, and you will make sales. If you would like to join my team, I do offer some lucrative things like a Facebook group where I'm hoping to get enough people into the Facebook group so that they can learn tips and tricks of how to use My Lead Gen Secret, but also I'm going to be doing weekly calls there to help my team out and help their team out. So when you guys join my team and you guys get a team of your own, they can come into the Facebook group, come to the weekly live call where I will personally, teach you guys things that are working. We'll also air your questions in the live call. So if you have any questions, you can always bring them up in the live call and things like that. And to just also mention, I also offer a document that I put together where I'm always adding stuff constantly to it, but I'm adding things like the newest products that we're offering. So I'm always going out and trying different things. You can, get a list. You'll get a list when you sign up to my team, and that list provides you with all the stuff that's working in My Lead Gen Secret right now, as well as I'm putting together a traffic rotator that I'm going to be promoting everyone's link once that's set up. I'm just trying to find a suitable traffic source. And that will happen as we progress. I'm like I said, I'm still working on it. But the Facebook group is definitely the big one, because to pay for actual coaching on this stuff, um, the bonuses I put together for my own team and for their team and stuff. For bonuses like that, it's probably worth about $45,000, and that's including the personal coaching and stuff, but I'm giving it to you for free. So when you sign up to My Lead Gen, you don't need to do anything else. Um, I try and teach you the best I can. I get you doing things the way I do and get you earning inside My Lead Gen Secret. So I'm going to quickly just pause my video here because I got the commissions on this tab open. So I'm just going to pause for a second so I can get my webcam into a place, and I'll show you all the commissions that have brought us to $1,703. And also stick around because I'm going to teach you guys for your newsletter. I did mention on Friday that I want to teach you guys how to find your own products and how to pick the good products. Okay, so just stick around for that and give me one quick second. So, first of all, I got two sales on the weekend from My Lead Gen Secret. One of them was a recurring commission from one of my affiliates, which you can see right here. And then, sorry, I didn't mean for that to pop up. But anyway, this right here, I'm actually, if I put the drawing tool on, maybe that's better. But right here was the recurring commission from my affiliate, and then or from my own affiliate. And then I had a sale yesterday on my third account yet again from someone inside My Lead Gen Secret. So I got $12 altogether there. So the reason why I got $12 because it was on my third account, which if you link all your accounts off of each other, so if you link your second account off of your first one, your third account off of your second one, you're going to be making $12 every time your third account um, brings in someone. Now, I do not suggest you start out with three accounts right away. This is why I say that I'm teaching you guys how to do this, because everyone else that does these case studies, they tell you to go get five accounts right away. And I think the reason why they do that is, they're promoting their own links. And I'm showing you here how you know how that works through the levels, right? So if you go and sign up 5 accounts right away, that's kind of going. They're kind of saying they're benefiting off of that. That's why I tell you guys I don't care about that. If you join my team, I only want you to start with 1 account, and the reason why is because you don't need more than 1 account at the start. But once you do my technique, which I call my super technique, you'll be getting people into the group or into your team. And then once you build that account up and you're getting that account for free basically every month, then you're going to go to a second account. When you get that second account built up, and again, you're getting that second account for free. And what I mean by free is when you're recruiting people, when your affiliate commissions or your recurring commissions are coming in for those people that you've recruited to your team, you're getting that account for free. So I'm basically getting all 3 accounts for free right now, and I'm not even, and then I'm also making the sales on top of that. So yeah, there was that one, and that was $12, and then another $4 here, and it was actually that was another $9. I marked the wrong price. I just realized that. So actually, no, sorry, I didn't mark the wrong price. That was right. Sorry. Don't worry about that. I'm still half asleep. So anyway, so yeah, we got $4 and then $12. So that's $16 together there. I'm going to quickly switch off of this, and we're going to go. I don't need the mailing system today because I'm going to show you guys. Just going to wait for everything to come back here. I don't need the mailing system today because I'm going to be cutting right to Warrior Plus to show you how to set up your newsletter products. But just give me one quick second. So I'm going to get rid of that, and we're going to go to Clickbank. So since Friday, if you guys remember or recall, on Friday I had, excuse me, no, what is going on with my webcam here? Come on. All right. I'm working faster than the computer, so that's why it lags sometimes. So anyway, Friday I didn't have any sales yet when I did my video. This sale came in at about, I think it was like 3:30 in the afternoon, I think, and that was 6 o'clock my time because ClickBank time is 3 hours behind me. So that was actually at 6 o'clock my time. So that was way after the video. So that was one sale there of Right App Reviews. This was a recurring commission of Social Rep. I got nothing on Sunday, and then I ended up getting 2 sales yesterday. Technically, one was my recurring commissions again from Social Rep. So another person signed up for another month on Social Rep, which was cool. And then I had another $20 come in from Right App Reviews yet again. This has brought my current week total up to $97.64 US. So that's pretty cool. Last week I had 84.03, and then the week before that I had 56, and the week before that I had 66, and then 77. So that mixed with the Warrior Plus commissions I've been making off of my lead gen, that became I think about a $700 month just off of my lead gen, thereabouts. It's pretty interesting stuff. This is how much I've scaled, and this is how much I can make you guys scale as well. I'm glad to be having this kind of success with my lead gen. I love it. It's been great. I didn't make any sales with the newsletter last week on Warrior Plus. It's fine. You're not going to hit every week, but it's good to do the email blast the email newsletter or the email blast newsletter, sorry, every week, just because you can make 5 different kinds of sales there, and that's pretty cool. So we're going to go to Warrior Plus really quick, and I'm going to show you guys how to do like how to get your own products. So we're just going to close out ClickBank so that there's less lag, and we're going to go to Warrior Plus. So you'll notice that I'm already on the product page. Now, what I look for typically is first I look for, I always look at the visitor value first. Now, the visitor value is what you really want to look at first. simply because of the fact that anything under $2 or whatever is not a good product. So this one, I actually should sign up for this one because it's had some good. I should actually sign up for that one because it's at 329 visitor value. You've got 274. That's not bad, but that's starting to get into the danger zone. Then you got 476. Now the reason why I'm pointing these out is because when you are looking for a product, you always want to pick something that has a high visitor value. The conversion rate doesn't matter as much, um, simply because when you have the visitor value, the conversion rate could be 6%, and you could still be making sales even with, as long as the visitor value is high. Um, Now, this is something that I haven't seen. I looked at one other guy the other day on Warrior Plus, or like he was talking about Warrior Plus, or no, sorry, he was talking about JV Zoo. Sorry, I thought it was Warrior Plus, but no, it was JV Zoo. But still, you can use this idea for any of the platforms. So you'll see that this one, let's say, I wouldn't suggest this one because this one isn't really a make money online offer. That's the other thing I look for is make money online only because that's the only thing that works for my lead gen. So I wouldn't go for this product exactly, and I wouldn't go for this one. But that is the one thing that a lot of people don't tell you when you're picking products. They kind of tell you just go in, look at a product, and see what sticks to a wall. I'm telling you that after 2 years, I finally learned the actual trick to it. I don't know why there's so much light coming off of my webcam. Anyway, so yeah, there's like I said, you just look at the visitor value. That's the first thing you look at. Then you look at the conversion rate. Okay, the conversion rates or no, sorry, the conversion rate's last. The next thing you look at is the refund. Now, obviously, I'm going to pick a product here. You don't want anything that's over 10%. Once it gets to 10%, so like this one, for instance, which is funny because this is the one I'm getting a lot of sales on, and people are using it still, even well past the return date. So this is actually a good one. Some people just got it and obviously didn't like it, or they didn't understand. But this one's still being a good one to sell, and it actually sells on my lead gen. I don't get any refunds. So this one's been pretty good to promote, regardless of the refund. Um, so this one I keep, especially you can see like 13% of 10,000 is like very minimal. So I've still been selling this one, but typically when the refund rate gets over 10%, I think it depends on what traffic you drive to it too. So obviously people have screwed up, the traffic they're sending to auto affiliate AI. I've had some good sales. I've also used this system. It's pretty cool. How he teaches how to use AI. Um, but yeah, so this one, yeah, it's some people probably sent wrong traffic. They sent people to it that just, I don't know. We're gonna go with one though. I'm trying to figure out. Okay, this one down here, 14%. Which one's that? Oh, where is it? There it is. No, because I don't know. That one's not really a good pick either. I'm not seeing any on this page, but typically, like I said, if the refund goes over 10%, typically like this one's at 10%, I wouldn't sell it. Even though I do have a link for it, I did try to sell it. It was part of my when I first started selling it, it was high. The conversion rate was high and the visitor value was high. But now that everyone's seen it and it's gone through its cycle, it's pretty much done. People aren't interested in it. So there's things like that. This one would be a good one. Create high value courses with AI. Now I did do this one last week with my lead gen. You can see that they've had 1,000 sales. Okay, since October 17th. So that was the day before um, the email campaign went. Or sorry, that was before my second last one. Second last one. Yes, second last one. So that was before my second last one went out. This one has a 44% conversion rate. It has a 677 visitor value, and 0% refund. So that is great. That is awesome. Okay, so that's something you want to look for. This is an awesome product to promote. So you would typically go in and get your link. Now, if you don't know how to get a link, Um, I'm not big enough on WarriorPlus yet that you can use my name. It's not like I, have pull yet. I will say that when I get bigger on WarriorPlus, then absolutely go use my name. You're gonna have to use my code name though on here because it's basically just Civic Edge. But you would not. I don't know if my name would show up or not. But anyway, you can't use my name right now because I'm not big enough, and they'll be like, "Well, who's that?" Um, but a lot of the bigger marketers will allow you to use their name and stuff. Um, but yeah, so this is a good product to promote. What you do is you go in and you'd request. So usually there's a box that shows up if you go to request, and then you just type in a little message, say, "I'd like to promote this product to my email list." Um, if you've done any courses, feel free to put down any courses you've done. If you've done anything, um, stuff like that. Do feel comfortable with putting yourself out there. Don't sit there and say hi, I just like to promote your product to my email list, because they're going to be like, yeah, no. You got to put a little bit more into it. So usually when I go and speak to them, I talk to them and I tell them the people that I work with. I tell them who I've done courses with, things like that, and that's how I go about picking products every week. Now sometimes I do repeat products, sometimes I don't. Sometimes I do things like I'll do repeat products sometimes, but I'll also um, if a new launch comes for a make money online offer, I go and do that new launch, things like that. I've seen so many people though go and just grab any product, and it's like, I saw that product the other day and it's a crappy product, and the people are still saying they're throwing mud at the wall and hoping it sticks, and it's like, I don't know if you're even making sales with that, because I'm telling you right now, bad product. Anyway, guys, that's all I got for you today. I would go through the email today, but I just don't. I don't want to waste too much time. I just figured I'd show my commissions that I've earned on the weekend since we were away, and then show you guys how to get a product for your email blast. I do suggest doing the email blast because it is the chance you can make $100 to $200 off of the email blast, but it can also raise you up, you know, $200 in your mileage and journey, and it is a really good way to generate more extra income that week. I've had it work flawlessly the last few weeks. Last week was like the first week in a couple of weeks or so that it there were no sales, but I think it's because I threw in a free webinar as one of the products last week. So it kind of, everyone's like, oh, free product, free webinar, and they kind of went for that. But do feel free to do whatever. Just make sure you promote good products. Don't promote products that you're going to get a refund on, or promote products that are junky, or and the person might not refund it, but it might be junky in the sense that if you do something like I don't see. Oh, this one. This one's now down to $1.60 per visitor, and that's just horrible. You want something that's over $2, and you want something, preferably over 250 is even better. So if you can find any of these ones that have high visitor value of like 329, 476, things like that, that's good, right? So you guys have a great day, and I think I have another video coming out very shortly. Um, I got to get some things together first for that video, but it'll be up very shortly. You guys have a great day, and cheers.